Yes, my mama pardon. Me, I just finished the video by talking about now thing that happen for inside community. The character of people, me affect my mama and my papa na me this so. Why my papa now what video 150 this is my own opinion. Yeah, my mama and my papa, my brother, my friend them. This is my own opinion. I don't want to start my video. I let us say I dey come talk nothing what I go through, thing what I get experience, so I don't live into. I can't talk to you the cost problem because many people will complain say men they separate. If you today they separate, you know we help them for pay their picking their fee, they will see pay their picking their fee. If they separate, they will see pay their B. If they separate today, the thing will stop hungry. By calling for national conference, without knowing the problem. You go call for national conference. We man wait there for us, he gets 4 picking. You know get no hand work. And if you feed the woman, feed the picking them. Yes, now the prayer was national conference was solved that my picking. We need to sensitize people. Tell where they can clovis the picking from our country. We get for do so for people. We get for tender people. If you get idea, say if you go hold national conference, first use your sense now. Start talk for your sibling, talk for your sister, your brother, talk for your neighbor. Start for sensitize people about the reality. Because I don't talk say thing with the worry we plenty and I say our picking no be connected. Yeah, they need a communication, no the government no get source of communication. When I see like for things that happen, Cameroon government, CRTV, many TV stations they take information from our country people. No, they are not digital. Yes, I don't talk for my people. If you want to enjoy what happen for Cameroon today, watch Equinox 1 o'clock on my country people. Equinox now for 1 o'clock. And for Saturday for 12 o'clock. But the best one at Equinox 1 o'clock for Monday to Friday. And then my country people all the time, 24 hours. When I see a whole TV station get hour, but some person they will be TV station, now my way God send them, make a hell of it. If my country people be day, we not feel emergency way we for don't go through today. I see continue to talk every day. I respect them. They talk for my tradition. When man pass to carry it back. I start centralized Cameroonian for 2009 interview for Batibo with Charlie Muson, a retirement journalist, a very great journalist for Ajo. He can make interview right for my sitting parlor. He did for my page. My first video for 2009. I made video for my NGO for 2014 for show my handwork to I do one. I don't talk already. My picking I get picking away, they don't born picking don't born city, so one don't born again. Imagine for Kumbo, my grand picking already there for Kumbo. When I'm a sweat, I'm a lucky, I'm a blessing, what I take I'm getting salary. Pay their mommy, their rentage, pay the bees, picking don't succeed today. Through my own organization, through my CEO, I've done my best. I'm talking to proofs. Though my people, the first thing we go for do now for educate our people, tell the people the truth. Yeah, you see today, young boy, they say the one man and a woman where you get money, get the one man and a man where you get money. There's no relationship. The result for the family would be na junkies. The result family would be na unborn children. I don't talk when I see the what I the carry picking. No man they can't talk say na my picking. After Sunday, some me say na pick we don't find them for long. They don't get time for picking. The picking not born when I born them for the kill them so. When I beg when a small brother made no come up for they will kill them. They will kill them. Yeah, the simple truth. Thing we find me so today na 16, 20, 25. 20 May, 16 May 2025. We are in digital time and transparency. Our children are not, they don't get communication. We talk for we picking them. Mommy, papa, when I travel inquire, when I picking their friend them. When I travel to inquire, when I picking their friend them. When I travel inquire that when I picking in and out. My papa them, when you are picking commit some crime, it will give you all kind sick. You will die in pain. Now you are picking one of the shame for the junction, where they kill her every day. But when they bring money for us, now when I picking them, where they kill them from junction, when they shame. Yes, when they get one go marry for some company, they say, bro, they be key ambassador for the company. They marry not spoil because they are born, they will reproduce them back. It's true. When I see they will change, they take money for offering, they really do no work because they picking away the key them, they will do it without picking them. All the so they get woman, they picking them. When I key them, small get on video of 3, 4, 5, all with the same. The people goes out tomorrow where some organization don't come, they take money, download, don't say they pray for poor people. Now let them get for chop yogurt. Now let them go for stay for this ground and Christian will go stay for paradise. Now we cost them for our land. We fit change them. You are the solution for many of our problem. We need to take decision for ourselves. It's because our people, my people. I'm not getting nothing for saying this. Now God the country I talk. I don't talk if I have to talk for good English, talk for good French, Francophone for year, the whole world for year. I talk now concern Bamenda. That's my own mission. I know they have forget view, see me and pay me. I know they have forget say share me and pay me. No me, I'm rich. And if you take the word of God, Salam, know me. No, I'm not doing such thing. When I say where Amazonian activism come out, when I share, when I forget money, when I send money, me them buy my material. We don't buy bomb. When you say me them buy bomb, play with the go put bomb for them. No show say your sister go pass there. You don't know say your mommy go pass there. Now we don't know your papa. You don't know your sibling. They fit put the bomb for every place because they not go affect you. If you are a culture child, you say me then go fix bomb put on for if you want pass away, your brother pass, your picking pass. Now we want the bond because the bond meaning we because the banners mimo way the jam for the mommy them being a Beaufort and burning fish. Plenty wanna come because burning fish. Them burn plenty wanna for my casino. Why no? So wanna know wanna pa. Now why today many wanna go for Europe. Call una mami come visit una for Europe. After all, we go to diagnose African for Europe. Imogele 97 sick. When I see 97 sick for mami, then kokola the pieces pa mami don't die cancer. When I bury una mami for Europe, say una grand picking will come go ask blessing for who. Una picking will come the worship una grand mami who side. Because una no get culture, una no get home. Yeah, now what I see when I stand for TV, the restaurant, the man die, the carry and go full of water, carry and for head cross water because you more than where you are coming from. But many of you don't know where you're coming from. Now, when I say me and bad bomb go keep them because you know the bomb go bomb now. If you get papa, you for fear say a papi pass. You for fear say a mommy fi pass for day. You for fear say a sibling fi pass for day. But now we are living on earth for living sake. We don't know where you're coming from. They get for bad the bomb. You are right. That was say if it's good day way bad no day they think no worker. But the worst now say the good to go listen for bad. Massa. When I go the marry woman where don't look for such less rare. I don't talk for my past video, my people. If you go marry a woman, where inside a mob, you hear Jesus, you all run because woman get for respect now one man. When woman they respect Jesus, even if you respect your husband again. A woman be bad to respect one human being when a husband. Where a woman also call Jesus, call pastor, your position you look at number 7. And the marriage no you walk again. That's simple truth. Maybe educate our people, tell them the truth. Yeah, we get picking them. I don't talk for my last video. Picking go marry some, bring your boyfriend. When a park if you see struggle for feed the boyfriend, that's a community problem. Nothing that way we get for festival and for down before go to our national conference. The problem for them for down the bubble, we get for solve the problem. And the fun thing where they come from for win our election. Yes, church now the biggest weapon for our land. Church over disturb we. Yes. It's not correct. So we need for some community where all man the male say you don't eat this one nagari. People they behave wrongly. People some small picking talk to the mouth. Say when I go where Anglophone man see his sister for dollar Yaoundé, where Bamida bossy country girl, he joke and he go sleep and he just halayi as like her. But when me talk dollar girl, you turn husband, you turn hang the back. When you feel love yourself. Be a neighbor keeper. If you know first start from community, the thing if you go front. Yeah, the first thing we go for do and I don't sing for all my video. Let's give back the power where the power belongs to the fandoms. Now fund and get power. They convince we every day now fund and get power. Now fund and get power. I think I put the cameraman and 30-40 people they turn for back where the CPT are close. When I'm minister and I might play 3 posts for Cameroon. But when fund say stand, when I will see 30,000 people who get power. Church get now, church don't blindfold and some people say elders. And mommy they don't abandon their family, my parents don't abandon their family, go for church be elder. But wait for their compound that are picking the cost, commodity havoc. My people, I'm talking to you with the proof. 90% for children smoke drug in the street, now picking them for elder for church. Now they're children. We're picking the born with the picking. Oh Lord. Now what do you say? Good people die, bad people they remain like our president. Yes, you don't when for some country, they see go Bamenda mayor, they will go take money, made and go Bamenda mayor, the gather money, made and go get for public for election. My people not say something be wrong somewhere. Pardon you one day, you never know the capital we get them. You know how much we see donate money, go CPJ made. Imagine when I donate money for say me CPJ man for one day, yes, they make for chair. But I thank God, they don't start draft them for everywhere. Me when I begin to receive them, make sure you begin consider it nonsense. Without headway fever and eye for dog soul. You the gather money for me and go down for CPT and make continue. Man for 1 day, don't the present situation where they Bamida for you correct. Did 9 year war problem correct because you're a mayor. You be enter to mayor two gun. Now when I feel control them because they give microphone for city mayor, the way they open the for pause, the way they open the gas station. He talk his speech go talk sweaty. Say the wicked people are there killing people. He know them. We know them by name, by everything. We knows them all. We know them. The CPTM have the problem. The best thing for we, for Bamenda people, I don't talk, I need to beg no man because I get a party. We get for remove CPTM for Bamenda to democracy. We get for embrace them because if you make, hey, they will take that money run. We get for embrace them before move them. And they edit them and go shit down for prison. They have nowhere to start. No, it Cameroon tomorrow. They come. Are they for that bar like biscuit bone? Are they for that bar? And if you left them for 1 second, and if you left them for 1 second, my people, and I left them, and I not left them. Cameroon for tomorrow, I cannot left them. It's true. Come on, you therefore come to where the woman they go Nigeria go bring all the trauma, and where all you picking and find the smooth tie. If you don't succeed for education, you're picking, you go condemn different your own picking. The carry cocaine into Bamenda. When I spend, you would go spend money, make some different picking go smoke, but they very picking the work that they are picking. Blood money that you cannot eat. When the P has one and if you control them. When I go see house with the bill and position, when I if you control those apartments, when I don't take community money to suffer, some more picking there when they say petrol, they get 100 million, or they are talking on 100 million. When I don't lock up petrol station, when I don't control petrol now, gendarme, when I hear they say I'm the phone get work, but uniform people they beg for come work for Northwest. When I say I'm the phone get problem, but I'm the from the phone uniform people they beg for come work for Northwest. Because they know the income where they think they did. Some picking don't come out there when they send a picking for poor people for front. And when they kill themselves, so they pay them. How much they picking the fair end? When they picking on there for school, for gendarme, I mean, work for how many months? They send it for work front. You can go somewhere, you normal banga, somewhere normal cigarette, you beer, they meet you poor, they don't care, they don't care, man, Allah. Human being go celebrate than kill human being. Human being go say they for our land. Yeah, English say they for our land. We invite you come for you les the man don't know. When I look all these Anglophone them, they know le mami. They don't know pas. Ole mami. I make videos say when I the carry when I picking put them for Facebook, snap picture of my son. Who don't show you your partner? So I probably show you. Who say your own party? Any man go travel be role model for your picking. If you are picking the grow, in the year you call someone say my dad. If they grow with some different mindset. You the fool you say you love you because you don't love your own papa. How you go do fool you are picking so you love you when you don't love your own papa? Children learn from what they are seeing today, not what you are telling them. The system of education has been an opposite. We need for that channel on the side. My last video, I just say, make the CPT and come for this side to make we to go for this side. That's all. But now my own opinion, because I don't know my papa, they don't pay. Who will pay me? Look the way look like that. Now who can pay me? When I look people in back row, now man will be there on a very good sport journalist. If you come go borrow money, go open hotel for Carrefour Billy, carry the bar sick, and then run go upside down in opposition. Me then donner money, mais c'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça, Mbakoro? Do you know money for they can do it in Mbakoro? The bomb where they put them, your family, you don't owe your family for Cameroon. Where the bomb to never catch them. Nasa. This done. When I see the way they repatriate them for abroad, they don't repatriate the picking them. I don't make video when I say my people picking the way they born them for abroad. No be their picking. Now the abroad picking that. They pay the picking them per month. Also to be free, school be free. Now go now this side they are on picking that. 98% of the children cannot come back home. Don't do the crystal because they don't get chop chair. If you be bad, your chop chair they say for abroad. Don't say your family name don't lost. Your family name na zero. Because they are picking if you ever come. Your own picking if you ever come. When I see broken home picking, they don't control everything. You the day for your compound. Your own boy picking, your friend are picking from broken home. Your gay picking, your friend are picking from broken home. What do we expect for the result? Una control una children, una control una sibling. If you talk for your own small brother in the years, if you want to talk on, una try for break the men and leave that friendship. The thing it become worse than yesterday. It don't bad. Jido. Massa. Pinning man the fight for unstable integrity. That's the problem you have in the world. Anglophone problem now, we are fighting about liberation, not separation. Let's liberate ourselves from culture. Nkwa man don't install something for we it don't bring we problem. Manque de respect, brother the sexy, mommy the keeper, brother the key cause sex cousin, mais c'est quoi? That one be with culture. Let's liberate ourselves for that system and then go back for our roots. I don't think when I say constitution for Cameroon favor our tradition. Massa. The whole world the metamorphose. You are coming back for Genesis. The whole world don't change. You are living transparency. Any man the gam say go na journalist, all man the gam go journalist. But when I think when I problem lock and fast they cry, I don't prove to my people. Maybe na my video go make and go do am. God don't can tell me, God to go tell some man. Before the year go on end, have Cameroon problem go there for internet. If you like, we not talk with on. Before the year go on end, come to an end. 1/4 Cameroon problem go there for internet. That's where they're solving problem today for a social media platform. I talk so Bishop Kian if you can catch me. EB is put them for that side. Abandon no West people. Take the money for people go out and say poor people. Now them they talk for Prado, chop and chop. Tell people say they go enjoy for paradise. Whether they enjoy for here. Now them they bring slavery and they can't convince our know the truth. Me can't catch me now. Maybe for court they say you will swear, so you will talk to all the truth. Our first swear for the Bible say that will be go for missionary, money for offering, for take care for orphan and for widows. And then talk to you they take the money for do college children become for Cameroon for come be school. No. The Pope don't can't turn new Pope the turn down. New Pope the can't turn down. The thing with that Arab Pope began to say they pray for the poor. That's an insult for Africans. Who is poor in Africa? Can't we get all mineral you can't call say poor people? Their job, the African get a bad governance. Not that they are poor. Poor means what? Say African they are poor. They don't ever see poor man. Italy and Cameroon now who rich pass some country. Let me speaking nonsense talk about Africa are poor. Who are poor? Am I poor? Say some Africa are poor, not Africa are poor. Come on, sir. You are the solution for our problem, people. Yes, any man may be a role model for your picking. If your power was not a role model, it's a one complaint. Work hard enough to be a role model for your own picking. Work hard to be a role model for your own picking. Come on. I don't tell you my advantages. I don't show I would talk every day. Say, Baron bless today, I'm picking away, I pay them salary where they work for me, they again grand picking. I've done my job with proofs. When I'm not here Sunday, I did some risky thing, that's my worker give me. No, my worker never give me nothing. No one on my worker never call me say who 1,000. No, but I know say they will get them, they go give me. Because I never borrowed money now for them. They work for me, I pay them. It was not a debt or borrow. But I believe from my heart when they will succeed, they will remember their Genesis. Who for making the whole money? I thought for Mogamo picking them. Mogamo don't know someone picking with people. Julius picking for army. Buffy is part of the best drummer for basketball. You know the condition why I take it put up for my Bikosi Balling manager. For manager for Bikosi, he become a great somebody. Today the America, all your family when I bring up, when I'm a baron play spirit. If you ever touch 1 million, if you ever touch 2 million, but I make 8 touch 5 million, 7 million, be manager. I give spirit for get money. I have done my job for people. I've done a good job. And I'm proud because a village like Mokamo Basketball don't give me 19 year happiness. When I go for my age group 19 years, some village bless me. I don't do them for outside for Norwest. Bansong, Camben, do etc. Fundong, etc. My name, my proof, na exhibit human being. No, I get grand picking them to the way I'm a 5 francs. You will call them for France, 5 francs symbolic. 1 franc will be symbolic. Why I take a help families. What is there for a company at the pay rentage? I pay rent for my house, pay rent for a place, pay my worker per month. At least I've done my job. I've done my job, please. I have the right to speak. I get the right to give my opinion. Like who I pay taxes. Massa. Ah. But me, when I don't want to listen to me because when I hear doctor's degree, master's degree, when I hear that kind of name, when I don't listen to me. When I go here for people where there's small that place, small born house, they can't talk grammar, professor. Then carry gisa give them, carry achu give them, then they take a league pan. But time for go is say, please, can you help me for your car? Can you carry me and leave me there? But time for chop achu, you there for front the bro achu where they time for go, you know get 5 francs. Come on, sir. When I go, I can give respect for creeping them. My people, no beginning with their senses for what will happen for Bamenda today. For things where Anglophone don't go through. For things where one people to go through, bounce out the whole Northwest region to go through. I don't know me about Southwest. I go Southwest now for some enquete 3 or 4 times. But play I know I'm the Northwest. I don't just say Anglophone Northwest speaking. But you come again talk to me and buy guns. For things where people don't go through. My country people, God said my country people, Clovis, and not, don't show I'm saying now, the cause the problem. If you know first go for where the problem begins, you there for up the turn, you are not a serious human being. You cannot be asking for the national conference when you don't know the problem. First look what happened for your community. It looks like you are going to national conference for your personal problem. When you go for national conference, when a personal pocket, you are not going there to fight for your community. That's why it cannot work. Represent yourself through your community. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm talking today like what I paid taxes for more than 35 years. The proofs. Today, my business president for Batibo, Bikosiba. My people, when I hear the name say Bikosiba, na bawe ide for land for opposition, but na me one get picture for Pobia inside my bar. Any man will know Bikosiba Pobia for picture there for my bar in 2019 with the broke my bar. With Pobia picture see there for my Bikosiba. No man will ever take it and touch him. Because my place was an NGO. Prisoner, I help prisoner them. Help families. Now for them, fun back for Batibo. Give me a 30 for golden spoon for the land. Because my job well done. The disappearing phone. Come meet on me, look me, shake your head 3 times. Put the hand for back, don't go ye. Do you know about tradition? I've done my job, by people. Do I get out for explaining what I know, my inspiration and my experience? We need to educate our people through and we give advise them. Call them, make them come out for bush. Make them come back because they will kill them. They will kill them. The elite are using them to destabilize the Northwest to maintain their position. There's not double English here. I don't know how to talk to her for corrector. The elite them, the people they call and say mayor, parliamentarian and senator, now they cause the problem for maintain their position. This is the same paragraph where if you go up, come down, you go, when I'm picking, go ask my question tomorrow. Please, phone channel believe video. Phone channel believe na book where don't expire. I don't know if you talk true, but my own video. Where my video will speak for 100 years. I believe that my video, today this one on 150 video, it can help you for your national conference. Let's first see into the problem before go for debating. Yes, the neighbor chop cocoa, put them for backside, go for table, arrange table, more cool before she done for table. Yes. When I talk about dining table, when I get dining table, that's one problem where Anglophone man get them. I said, when I don't be free for marriage, but no. They when I pay when I be, it's a disgrace. Anything where you're picking go do I say you're picking the 4 for junction. Do they make an error? Any picking because for dad, snabby mommy, snabby papa, put them for social media. Now so me I go try me end na so. Any picking where die, the snabby family put them for social media. Then they dwell, then get big store them, but their sister them they bamela, then they get 3,000 for golden platinum hit. Then they dwell they stay for big company, they buy champagne for our club with a small brother and they were waiting try because 11,000. You want to ask you say he get on papa now we can want mommy get on papa. That's why Anglophone are suffering. Because the bastard children they go give them position. How can you speak in the public where they don't know what's how you come out? Where they want to talk you say the coach people. Coach my people no man talk for me again. Eh? I say Baron Blade so I don't get no friend again. Because in my video, everybody hate me to a fault now. I'm happy because through my video I make I discover who is my friends. But thank you say I still tell them, no one never ever be my friend. They come for corner me because they get difficulties. I make them today be wise. I see the one who I help them today. How can you give born picking with a woman, say picking don't go get first degree? You abandon the woman, beat your woman for puppy, say get bad shape because the follow so small get them. How did they do so? I guess my small friend, Makani Godzi, Makani used to be a great man. How can you call yourself a great man? So you are a wise man. You are not able to take care for your children. Are you wise? How can you talk for bar? I'm a great man, or boy, I'm a businessman, I'm a great man. When if you take care for your siblings, are you a great man? For when a brain de-illiterate, then what mean by great man? What mean by wise man? Don't we go take my money so you miss you wise? We go full man taking money, you miss you a great man? We born picking if you take care for born picking level and go stay for upside. Picking never see you. Don't their own product say you be pan and when they send money, you they come and will get money and be pan. Man, that's the problem you are facing in Bamenda. Because you give opportunity for nonsense individual to speak. They have no right to stand where you stand. Because they are not capable to take care for their own children. You go marry a woman when I don't stay for more than 20-something years. Small girl can't take you go with them. Your woman want to say fat it or anyhow. Massa. Me when I don't say any people where they supposed to be them to another family member and they pay their bills. But then a politic. No drive it, go now for election. All we know say CPDM no be the CPDM no reach 3% for the population. CPDM no reach 3% for the population. 3% CPDM no reach 3%. Now our palace get power. Now our palace get people. When I see the way fund them, I confront what they happen. When I sit with them, I will no get problem. My 12 no get problem. Santa no get problem. People that work, they farm them. Now people wait them be lazy, they get problem. Because man don't give you a free place for stay. Now man give you a free house, free enjoy house. Landlord and there for quarter, they take picking and put them for where you don't know your hand work. How you go keep person eat that, you don't go catch the landlord. Landlord be they keep you for house like woo. Man, just security, whoa, poor beer. I don't Paul Biana never do this thing. Paul Biana don't turn so for the men for chair. You know, they know the truth. All of them know the problem. Yes. Our we pardon we get 8 picking, my pa we get 8. Some pardon get 8, 20 picking them. 3 woman. Picking they go good school, live good life. But today when I get 1 picking, 2 picking, when I get apartment for 200 million, when I get 4 private car, when I picking in a junkies, when I picking the end for be aquara. But now we begin when I 10, 8, no man be team man, no man be junkies. But when I sense something be wrong, because many of you are using blood monies. You know, a full person take money, be your own house, educate your own picking for money. But karma is real. Karma is real. I pay my own. I pay well. I pay. Lucky say I get license. Because my own, I take license for government for prestigation. Take from the rich and share to the poor. That's my profession. Don't at least my own me I pay license. Well, yeah, when I yes, I me I pay patterns for which work. Because I take from the rich share to the poor. That's simple truth. That's simple truth. I never open some business for get income. No. I was trying to entertain myself. All my work they can fit there. Me some work tell me say the patron be give shift for 10 million, for 10 million we year one and we give patron 11 million. No. When I put 15 million, I want come back end of year. I must struggle for 6 million, 7 million. I was just fulfill them because it was not my money. Yes. And I don't tell people, I will see bring people. I never talk to you for long. Today, statement they go before image follow. When I remember, no video image the go before statement follow. Now for the way you see lawyer for I see remain for her the when me war finish, they forget saying the give for commoners war. Where image they go before statement start. But yesterday it was analog. Then be the first go before image they follow. But today now image they first go before statement follow. Don't see my video, please picking them. No shoot man, no kino man. Go back for us, beg your mommy and beg your pa. I beg my brother, I bring my picking. When I talk for picking them, when I talk for them, election for tomorrow, when I no vote CPDM, when I vote party, we go helebuna. I know sure say na battle bidado. I know sure. I know sure. Yes. For me, I don't say probably owner or for me, and the good president because I don't succeed for the government. But he don't old, he live you. Yes, he don't owe. But he do fine work for send we brother Abakwa Pikin for go do something them. I think you put another minister we do for Cameroon. Another the best installed minister and another minister where they work for you. It don't fail. I agree, but I too fail your way to the land. But not the best minister for Cameroon. Man for difficult mission. Then go for not tire. You can drive. Say drive for 7 hours something. For play they drive for 2 hours. We forget for no say they are convoy no get police no get gendarme. They pass now juin 7 hours something. Donc if they put control for your own motor. You drive now for 15 hours. You know, put safety bear. Brother man, I'm not knocking you. You know, so all people will feed them. They don't know you, or Paul don't know you. City me of Bamana don't disgrace you. Because when they go cash you and them go there for your position where you put it there, it don't fail. You know if you take person for no less than no day, he invest more than 500 million for them. A mayor become mayor, take contract, parliamentary and being contract again for mayor. Mayor take contract, work by yourself. Mayor na pastor, mayor na businessman, mayor na contractor for you one. Where all man the crowd about employment, that's wrong, that's stealing. Yes. Yes, that's true. They protect people where they thief billion and then go to kill innocent people. Kidnapping starting for them. They be first called kidnapping, those say cutting. Now they call and say kidnapping. Yes. You know, see the way it happened for Cameroon. I know they talk about Cameroon, they talk about Bamenda. When I see Minister of Sport, you come, then get it office when I president of Fega Food. Minister of Sport go bring coach, pay him money for 2 years, 6 billion something. Coach go back. The Bamenda picking we can qualify Cameroon for bringing Nation Cup. Hey, young, don't call you again. No, it's a game. Nobody is talking. We are not talking about our problem. Because why they pay food a million, begin doing a bad hours for offside. I don't believe say today, 2025, when I say talk about buy guns for digital image, you know correct. It's an insult. Yeah, Mango come out for bush with a 7 gun from bush, 8,000 bullets. If you use that gun that you want, where is it? Who say you call it in there? My people, it's a game. Yes. It's just a game. Yes. We speak then cash you. Where man we do bad they protect you, but we speak then cash you. Mama, me, I don't tell me, my people, I don't tell me. Yes, you have no income. You have no handwork. But you pray for God for live longer. For choboti. You pray for God for live longer for choboti. We don't get handwork. You don't get no invention. You pray for God because more than pray for God, we live long for do it. For the work of disturb your family. Disturb Cameroon government. Say Cameroon bad, I no help you. Massa, when I come out massa. I beg Papa them when I control and picking them. I beg. Yes. The system for Cameroon education don't reproduce nothing. It don't fail. Let's go back for our normal school. Left move commercial education. Yes. Commercial education cannot guarantee the success for Pekin. Yes. Yes. Today Pekin didn't get problem today. Their election, the Ambrakot overstand. Away Ambrakot stand in you wrong direction. Pekin and today the Ambrakot to stand. Where how can your election be giving you wrong direction? Beginning and Ambrakot to stand election they give them the wrong I don't know what to yeah. But when I know the world don't change. The world don't change. But I know say that thing because independence and democracy is just a piece of paper. The whole Africa, the whole world, they fight today for getting integrity. Anglophone fight for your liberation. Separation only exists. Africa they try to be one. Fight now for your integrity for your own village. Fight for take your own national cake, invest for your village. Fight for get position, help your people. Me know when I go to Abu National Conference. Me when I go shit for our private use. The whole national conference last time. Now abortional is cleaning the way their own work for Bamida Bina for move belle. Now they go stand for represent Anglophone. Money then Guillaume they never yet talk, but they go edit them. The people where they call them to say enemy. Now my way you be helping yesterday. No enemy no day. Pray for your enemy. The man will call and say your enemy. Now you will be helping yesterday. Yes. Now stand up, maybe solve your problem. Yes. Man will get 1 day here. They say donate money for Bamenda, give me continue. Massa. Man will get 1 day here. My people, I don't tell you. I don't feel like so fatigued. One spirit, my people. One love.